Hey, your backyard beekeeper here with HoneyBeeMade.tv. Thanks for dropping by and joining us for adventure number 2 of the adventures of a backyard beekeeper. Fun, fun, fun. Man, it's like 72 degrees in the southern tier of New York State right now. And today we're going to install 2 of these packages. I want to show you how it's done. I'm only going to probably just show one of them being installed on video, but I want everyone to know just how easy installing a package of honeybees. If I could only talk. It's been a while. All right, guys. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to install a package bees. Package bees. In this box here, it looks like a shoebox. In there is about 3 pounds of honeybees, a mixture of drones and female worker bees. That equates to about 10,000 honeybees. And I've already had my setup ready to go here so that it'll make it easier for this video. I already have some frames in here that are already drawn out by, who knows, a colony that died or whatever. So I'm gonna keep in one frame that's drawn out, because if you have a drawn out comb like that, they'll clean that out and the queen pretty much can start laying eggs. And this is what I like about this. So what are we gonna do here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th one over. We're gonna have just 5 frames in there right now. I'm looking for my tools. Can never find them. Okay, there's a lot of information I can tell you guys about honeybee keeping right now, but all I want to do is show you how to install a package of honeybees. So I'm going to take off this Luan, I think it's Luan, this Luan lid. Set that aside. It's held in there with staples. And you're going to find this is a tin can filled with sugar water right here on the top. This black strap right here holds the queen in a matchbook, what I call a matchbook. All right, this is going to be quick and simple, okay? I'm going to take the staple out so I can get a hold of the queen, or the queen cage, if you will. Pull that out. This is always the challenging one. Oh, that fit. There we go. You have to keep a hold of that. It'll fall in. You don't want it to fall in. Just trying to grab that out of there is going to be, trying to grab that out of the box is going to be a challenge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to need a pair of pliers, needle nose pliers. This is so easy to install, guys. I'm just going to shake these down a little bit. And then I can pull the sugar water out of there. Bees start coming out. No need to be alarmed at this point in the juncture or ever. I think I want that lid back. Just going to put that lid over top of these temporarily. Now I've changed my mind. We're just going to take and put this box right down in there. And the queen is in this box. And those bees are surrounding her, keeping her warm. And then I'm going to take out, there's cork on either side. I'm going to take out the cork on the side where there's a marshmallow or fondant, whatever you want to call it. And those bees are going to eat through that fondant and release that queen in just a day or so. I just need something to pop that cork out of there. Oh, of course it went into the box, didn't it? I have a better idea. Now they got the right tool out. I'm just gonna pop this cork out of there. There we go. And there's fondant right on the inside of that. Those bees will eat that out. This is how simple this is, guys. We're drinking the sugar water. Instant food source for them, I guess. For the lack of better tools, I just brought a pin with me. All I'm going to do is put her in between the drawn out comb and the foundation, like so. Just going to stick that in there. Like that. I have 5 frames in there. I'm going to take and put the inner cover in. Try not to kill any of the girls. Just like that. Perfect lineup. The pin sticking right up through the top inner cover. And then the outer lid, just like that. Put a little weight on.